Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed while you are playing the Roblox game, okay? So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, you need to type task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. And just simply click on Task Manager under the best match and maximize the Task Manager window. Then here we need to simply search in the search bar Roblox. And you'll find Roblox. Simply make a right click and you have to select End Task. So we need to completely close any Roblox processes from here. And once done, simply close out of here. Then try opening the Roblox game again and see if it is working fine this time. Then move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar right here, type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click and you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find this option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that, click on properties. And here you'll find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, which is one of the greatest DNS. Now you have to click on OK and simply close this windows. Then in the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on this run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in the block window, you need to type this commands NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command is ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So type in here exit, hit enter, and then you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. Then you have to click on apps on the left pane, click on installed apps. Then here you'll find Roblox. Simply click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. And once uninstalled, we need to reinstall it. So simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Any of the browser, the process is just the same. Then type in here roblox.com forward slash download. It's roblox.com forward slash download. Hit enter. And you will find this option download Windows app. Simply click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Once done, simply click on it and close the Edge browser. And this will reinstall Roblox into your Windows. So you just have to wait for that in a while. And now we have just reinstalled the game into our Windows. So here you just need to simply click on sign in with your account, and then continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.